Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, New Me by Hannah. I'm so excited to see what happens today. During the craziness that has been this year, I have noticed, I don't know whether it's stress or just because I got hooked on the stuff, but I have been drinking so many cups of tea. And I think because of a result of that, my teeth, I've noticed, have started to get a slight yellow tinge to them. Now, I don't like it. It's not aesthetically pleasing. So instead of spending a few £100s going to my dentist or trying a really expensive home treatment kit, I have looked into a way to try to whiten my teeth naturally at home. In this video, I will tell you exactly what I did, how I did it, what I used, and if you stick around right to the end, I will show you my results as well. So let's get into the video. To me, when people whiten their teeth, it's kind of the Essex unnatural white, and it can be quite unnerving, so I don't like that. I like naturally white teeth.
Stop it. Get some help.
So I didn't want to go and spend a fortune at the dentist. I didn't really want to get a tooth whitening kit that was full of chemicals. So I've tried to find a method that is safe to use at home and that is pretty budget friendly. So today I am going to try to whiten my teeth using bicarbonate of soda. Now this is an ingredient everybody usually has at home. It is traditionally used for cake making, but it does have a range of uses in the household as well. And apparently, I will test this out today, apparently it's quite an effective whitening treatment. So, I don't know, we'll try it and see, I'll let you know. Just to be a bit scientific with you, I will explain why bicarbonate of soda is apparently as good at whitening teeth as it is. Baking soda, or as it's otherwise known as bicarbonate of soda, is still a chemical, but it's got a weak alkaline compound, and it looks just like white crystal. Our teeth are coated in this protective layer called enamel, and the baking soda works to reduce the acidity on the teeth, and in turn makes them look white, apparently. Unconfirmed. Give me like 5 minutes and I'll tell you. Obviously, bicarbonate soda has so many uses. I've said baking, household items, cleaning, and apparently teeth whitening. So you need a packet of this in your cupboard if you haven't already. So without further ado, I think we should just get on with it, quite frankly. So let me show you how to do it. So the first thing you need to do is you can either put your toothpaste on the toothbrush and sprinkle some bicarbonate of soda on the top. But the best method, apparently, is to mix 50-50, half bicarbonate of soda, half water. Just tap water is fine. You mix them into like a white paste, and then you put that on your teeth. You have to make sure you spread it evenly over your teeth, making sure you get to every direction, every tooth, for approximately a minute. And then after about a minute, you need to rinse your mouth completely to get rid of all traces of the baking soda. And then brush your teeth normally, and this is the result.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Okay guys, so that took me literally 2 minutes, if that. So I think, genuinely, I think there is a difference. I don't think they were too bad before, but I definitely think that they're whiter now. So that's incredible. totally works in my opinion. And I think if you were to use this once or twice a week as recommended, in addition to your twice daily brushing, obviously, then I think definitely I'm quite impressed. Quite impressed with that. Just as a footnote, the bicarbonate of soda is abrasive, so don't use more than once or twice a week. It's honestly, your teeth will just disintegrate, so don't do that. Also, don't leave on your teeth longer than a minute either for exactly the same reason. So it is literally just a quick brush and then spit it all out. Yeah, I'm really impressed. Quite surprised actually. I don't know, I thought it would take, a couple of times at least to get a result, but yeah, very impressed. So I am looking forward to hearing your comments. Have you tried this? Does it work for you, or is it literally just for me? Don't forget to drop your comments below because I'm excited to hear if it's worked for you as well. And I will absolutely see you in the next video.